woke up, the price of coke up. I just hit.
Wanna do anything you want. Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like Goya.
It's your girl Keylicious, and I'm back again with another video. And today we will be crimping one of the wigs that I dyed. If you guys haven't watched my last video, then you guys need to stop watching for a second and go see what that video is all about. But that is basically how I got the color of this wig. But in this video, I will just be styling this wig for my client who will be coming today. I look like a hot mess, but I don't even care because it's time to work.
Okay.
So I'm just be showing you guys how I crimp this wig. If you guys like the style, like the color, like anything about the wig, then you should be on this channel and you should be keeping up with these videos, because why not? Don't you want to slay too? Like, come on, like I'm out here giving free game for everybody.
Okay.
For everybody to be slaying. Like, it's not just, you know, a hairstylist secret. No, we're gonna spread the love. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I accomplish the style and everything that I used and everything that I did, then continue watching. Protecting that I'm adding.
fat truck, not a black truck. When we move, tell them back up. Click, click, clack, duck. Hella bands, pull up, stashed up. Super facts up. Or you
only one